Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, come back with me Deviana Azzahroh. On this occasion, I will discuss about Default Forwad. The Default Forwad is the mode used to forward traffic from the client to other client. If this mode is not active, each client cannot communicate with each other. So this is topology. And here are the steps. We log in with the identity R1 Deviana. The first step we take is to activate the wireless interface, which will be used as a transmitter. We check with the command interface print. We can see that here wr.1 interface is still disabled. We active it by using the command interface wireless enable wr.1. Enter. And check again with the wr.1 interface. Type interface print. Has been successfully active or not. Next, here we will create an IP or access point. Enter the command interface wireless set wr.1 with mode IP bridge, and I make SSID is digital DF. Okay, next. If we have checked it with the command interface wireless print, if we can see here that the SSID I use digital people with the mode IP bridge. If we have made the IP address for the wr.1 interface, enter the command IP address address xc.xc.xc.1/24 interface wr.1. Enter. And do a check using the command IP address print. Enter. It can be seen that we have successfully added the IP address for the wr.1 interface. And we do the DHCP server that will be used for the SSID on wr.1. Type the command IP DHCP server setup. Interface is wr.1. Here we point the interface to wr.1 and we default. Then as server is 10 as Google egg.egg.egg.egg. If you have checked using the command IP DHCP server print, and we can see that we have successfully configured. Next, enable wireless on the laptop and connect to the SSID digital DF. Also, connect to the client handphone with the SSID digital DF. If you have checked the registration table to see the MAC address client that is already connected to the AP, using the command interface wireless registration tables print. We connect again to SSID digital DF. Okay, we check again with the command interface virus migration tables. And it can be assumed that there are two clients connect to the IP, namely XCAACA200424, which is the compound's MAC address, and then which is the laptop's MAC address. Do a check on the DHCP server list to find out what IP the client gets using the command IP DHCP server print. IP DHCP server list print. We can see it can be seen that the IP address for the laptop is xx.254, and so the compound is xx.253. After that, do ping between clients. Here I will ping the IP address of the compounds with the command ping xx.253. It can be seen that the result is a reply, which means that the client can still forward traffic to the other clients. Next, we configure the default forwarding on the wireless WLAN interface using the command interface wireless set WLAN default forwarding no. Enter. The check with the command interface virus print. It can be seen that the default forwarding has been disabled successfully. If we have disabled the default forward, do a test ping between clients. Namely from the laptop's client to the other mobile client with the command ping xx.253. And it can be seen that if the results are like this, that has been successfully added, it means that between client cannot longer forward traffic to the other client. That's you so much and hope useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.